It's getting warmer, so today I'm making a crunchy cucumber and tomato salad. You'll need cucumber, tomatoes, chili oil and some cashew nuts as the main ingredients. Slice a whole cucumber into thin strips like you would when sharpening a pencil. If the cucumber skin is quite tough, you can peel it as well. Now for the tomatoes. You'll need 2 ripe tomatoes cut into bite-sized pieces. In a mixing bowl, add the sliced cucumber, tomatoes and cashew nuts. Now for the sauce, it's very simple. I like using this brand, Chiu Chow chili oil. It works really well in this recipe. You'll need 1 teaspoon of chili oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder and a drizzle of agave syrup. Toss everything gently, just a quick mix. Finally, drizzle over some toasted sesame oil. It's really crunchy and very quick to make. Now it's ready to serve. You can reduce the chili oil and add a bit of salt if you don't like it too spicy. The chili powder is optional too. Why not give this recipe a go tonight? Thanks for watching. See you next time.